How to activate credit card on Laurentian Bank. Welcome back to Techmates, and let's get right into this video. Launch a preferred browser and search for laurentianbank.ca. By this, you'll be redirected to the official website of your Laurentian Bank. If you scroll down, you will see a red button that says choose a card, so tap on it. Laurentian Bank will provide you various of card options depending upon your preference. You can check out the features they hold and also the card details. Below the card, you will find Apply Now button that you can click if you find the card is suitable for you. Once you select on Apply Now, you'll be redirected to a new page by Laurentian Bank. Ensure that you already have an account in your Laurentian Bank before you try to apply or activate your credit card. Now I have selected the Cash Bank credit card for me. In this case, when you tap on I agree, you'll be agreeing to, as a Canadian resident, you'll be agreeing about your annual income of $60,000 and more. Now, as you can see at the top, it will take you with 5 of the process. Firstly, with your personal information. Second, you need to input your complete home address. Third, enlist your income and source of income. Fourth is the employment. Lastly, the card details that will be provided to you by Laurentian Bank. By this way, you'll be able to activate your card for your Laurentian Bank. If you face any of the issue, you can check out help and support of Laurentian Bank. And that brings up to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.